I think I've inserted wrong password.
No worries, Varsha. You know what? You don't have to fumble for your UPI password anymore because it's going to be pin free. That's right. You know what? UPI will now not require any kind of pin codes. You don't have to worry about forgetting your passwords or maybe even somebody sneaking up on you while you're entering your password, because now you will require only either your Face ID or your fingerprint to just make a payment. So the NPCI, which actually manages UPI in India, is now going to introduce biometric authentication via Aadhaar card to make your UPI payments. And this is actually going to change the way millions of Indians transact using UPI. Now, this is also going to change the way you make your grocery payments, your cab payment, and so much more literally at your fingertips. This update was announced in the recent Global FinTech Festival that happened in Mumbai. And how exactly this will work: when you want to make a payment to someone, you can just open it like this. You can start the payment and it will ask for your biometric authentication. And once that biometric authentication matches your Aadhaar card, the payment will easily go through. What's more, well, the transaction limit right now is capped at 5,000 rupees per day, and of course, this will be changed by the regulator going forward as well. Could be changed, and overall, you'll be able to reset your PIN as well using your facial recognition. This comes as a major boost for UPI users because the number of transactions will also increase, so much so that the volumes of UPI transaction increased by 31% year on year basis, and total value of the UPI transaction stood at whooping over 24 trillion rupees in August 2025. Now, as promising as this sounds, experts suggest that there's a catch to this. If there's no encryption that is properly done, there is possibility of leakage of personal information. Because this is directly linked to Aadhaar, the cybersecurity will have to be airtight. Another key issue is that there could be a possibility of accidental or unintended payment because of always on sensors using your fingerprints. Well, overall, it is definitely going to boost the ease of payments for sure. But the question here will be that how well it is implemented. But what do you think about this? Let us know in the comments below and stay tuned to NDTV Profit.